The hell is that? It was much louder right before I ran up to get my phone. Now whatever it is, it sounds like it's moving away. The fuck is that? It's still going. It's not as loud, but it's still going. Now it's fading away finally. The fuck was that? This is the second time I heard it. Lady, it's only me. What the hell was that, lady? The fuck is that noise? I can hear dogs in the distance barking, but I think I could still kind of hear it. It doesn't sound like a plane. It almost sounds like between a horn and almost like the way a plane sounds when it crashes. And I can still hear it. Weird.